Hi everyone, I'm Mushtaq from Team A, Love. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to host a meeting and a webinar. So, first of all, go to easytalks.com. After that, you can see two options over here. You can either sign up, it's free, or you can use your Google account to log in. So, I'm going to use Google account to log in. So, here I click on to log in with Google. Then here I select my Google account. After this, it will take me to the main page of Easy Talks. Here we are. Now here you can see some major features of Easy Talks. So we can schedule a meeting or webinar. We can start an instant meeting. Then upcoming meetings and webinar. So we haven't scheduled any. So for just try. So I have scheduled one meeting, Love weekly meeting. So you can see over here. So as we schedule meeting or webinar, you can see in upcoming webinar or meeting. So here I am going to show you how to schedule a meeting first. So click on to schedule. Then it will ask you to select meetings or webinar. So since we are going to schedule a meeting, so I select on meetings, then go to next. Then here you can name the meeting. So team meeting, Love, say team A. Then after that you can write or put start time. Then after that you can mention the duration. So I'm not making any changes. So here you can see the time zone. So if you are from say India, so you can see your local time zone. Now description, if you want to add any agenda points, agenda items, so you can write in the description. So I'll just write one agenda point like discussion, then individual presentations. So yeah, so this is how we can schedule a meeting. So we are done. So here you can see the details: topic, meeting ID, host, start time, duration, then join link and description. So when you are going to invite the participants, so you can copy this link or copy the invitation. And whenever you invite someone, so even you can share the meeting ID, or if you are a participant, if you want to join the meeting, then you need to enter this 8 or 9 digit meeting ID. So right now you can see this 8 digit meeting ID. Sometimes you get 9 digit meeting ID too. So this is how we can create or we can schedule a meeting. Now again I'll take you to home page. Now we shall see scheduling webinar. So this time I am going to schedule a webinar. So let me go to home page again, then click on to schedule. Then this time I am going to select webinar, then click on to next. So here you can see number of details. So for example, my webinar, schedule a webinar. So we are scheduling a webinar. So details. So details. So again you can name the topic of your webinar. So for example, a webinar on Easy Talks for Team A. So just example topic, then time schedule, then whether it is live webinar or automated or on demand. So I select live webinar. Then again you can mention start time. Then you can select your time zone. So by default you can see your local time zone, but you are free to change it. Then registration. So it's always better to keep it on. Then registration notification, again you get the registration notification if someone register for your webinar. Then registration limit, so if you want if you don't want to limit your registrations, then you can click on to off. Otherwise, if you have a limit of say 50 participants, then in that case you can keep it on and you can mention the number. But this option will be applicable in upgraded version, not in basic version. then approve, automatically approve, then payment. Now this is basic version, so it is free. Then cloud recording, yes, it is on. Then reminder emails, again this option is applicable for upgraded version, not for basic version. Then sender email, then reply to email, then chat, again we have marked on. So this is how you can enable all those relevant options. Then you can save it. This is how we have schedule a webinar 2. So once you are done, then if you just look at this extreme left corner, so you can see one option where you will see your name. So just click on to your name, and if you want to log out from here, you can log out from here. That's it. Thank you so much.